Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a purple tube, and you know what that means. Purple tubes come from Craftibly, right? So I ordered this, and I'll tell you why, and I'll tell you what you need to know, okay? Craftably is having a sale. They're calling it like their pre-Black Friday sale, and so they have marked down several paintings, and so they're already at a discounted price. They have opened up some pre-orders again, which will be coming like after the first of the year. They have a I think it's buy two, get one, I don't know. Okay, there's all kinds of stuff going on. There's codes, there's a buy two, get one free, I think. Some things you can use my discount code on, which is Mindy15. I just always say, just try it. I mean, at this point, there's so many things going on. Just try my code. If it works, it works. I think it works on, somebody told me it worked on the sale prices. Some said it didn't work on pre-orders. Some said, I don't know. So just try it. Or if you find a code of theirs that's like the buy two, get one or something, and you want to use that. I don't care. Just go. I want to support these people. I love these people. They have a great company. They're really trying really hard to bring a quality product to diamond painting. And I just want to support them in any way I can. So here's their tool bag. Here's their tool kit. Here's our washi tape. Okay. Polka dots and Christmas trees. I got Christmas trees. You get 2 pots of wax, which come in individual baggies. I'm not going to take all this out. You get a tool kit, you got a boat, you get a 4-placer, 2 4-placers, and I believe a 5-placer or a 7. You get wax, you get tweezers, you get everything in your tool kit you could possibly need to diamond paint, okay? The washi tapes are a fun addition. Someday I'll go back through all my kits and pull out my washi tapes because I've left them in there. And you get a cover minder. Each one has a cute little fun cover minder, and I have one of the raindrops. I call it a raindrop. You call it what you want, but I call it a raindrop. He's a clear one with some pink cheeks. Pretty cute. So nice little cover minders in each kit. All right, so that's what you get. That's your tool kit. Now, I already know that this is one of the older kits, not old, but before the factory started putting all of this inside. And so these will have the original labels, not the small sheet. They've gone to a small sheet and it's all packed inside, but this is like the older kit, okay? So here's all the information about what comes in your kit. This is a 4.0. They're all 4.0 except like the newer ones, everything is packaged inside, like I said. All kinds of information there. And here are our stickers. These do peel off. These are the big, large stickers. The newer ones are smaller, still a good size. Don't get me wrong, they're still a good size. They're smaller though, and they come with a sticker of your image and other things on there. But so since this is an older kit, this is how the stickers come. All right, and I believe it's going to have one AB, and that is going to be a rhinestone. I believe that's a rhinestone. That's an AB, 34 colors. Okay. So it does come with a sticker. This is separate. Now on the new sheets, this all comes together. So I got Magenta Warrior. It is a Sheena Pike. It tells you that right here, Sheena Pike. It tells you it's 20 by 28. You can use this to put in a logbook. Keep track of when you started it, when you finished it. It's one that I thought about, and I didn't get. And I think it deserves to be shown, and people need to see it. Right? So that's why I picked this one. I did get another one as well, which I also felt hasn't received a whole lot of attention. And so I'm going to show you a couple that I like, that I'd thought about. I just didn't get them. And I think they deserve some love. Let's check them out. All right? They have, it's taped. If I can get the tape off. Okay, seriously. No. Okay. Mr. X-Acto Knife to the rescue. All right. Come on. They've got a nice soft back to the canvas. It's got that felty feel to it, right? Okay, now that piece of tape's stuck there. Okay, come on. Work with me, work with me. Keep everything together here, right? Just keep it all together. Okay. It has the serged edges to keep this from fraying. It's poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards so I can get everything out of the inside and get it to lay nice and flat for you. I will tell you, I'm working on Puppy Crazed Petunia. I put her away for a while because I had an event. I had to work on a big canvas. But I've gotten her out again and I'm almost done, you guys. And I'm having so much fun with that one. It's like the perfect kit. I'm just enjoying it so much. Okay, we'll look at those in a minute. Whoa. Okay. I'm really enjoying that kit. Okay, let's look up close. Up close, I said. Up close. There we go. Symbols. Fly. Go away. I don't know. It's fall and all the little creatures are trying to come into my house. You know, they need a place for the winter. Flies, those weird ladybug things. Oh, they're driving me crazy. All right. Okay. Nice and clear. Everything is beautiful. We have some white printing on the dark symbols. Love it. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. All right. Let's unveil the whole thing. Her name is Magenta Warrior, and that is a big horsey. That's a big horsey. I like that there's not a lot of background, that the main thing is this horse, right? And we got just a little background. It's going to be pink. There's a legend on both sides. We get a picture over here with the details again. All the information at the bottom. Magenta Warrior. Love it. Okay. Whew, look at her. Isn't she pretty? They've got a thicker plastic. I love this. It doesn't rip. It doesn't tear and get stuck on your nice stick. Love that. And I have had no trouble with the stickiness on my canvas. I'm really enjoying it, like I said. Okay. Can you see the whole thing? Let's zoom you out just a little bit more. There we go. See the sun? I got to film before that sun hits the counter. It's coming in. It's coming in. It might be the beginning of November, but it's going to be 60 degrees today here, folks. That's unheard of. Look at this, like, jewel. It's got feathers coming out of its mane, and it's got, like, I would call it a concho, okay, from Western show days. Got feathers coming this way out of its forelock. That looks like it's all hooked here into this forelock and coming down this way. It's just beautiful. Feathers, a big rose. You know, Sheena Pike and her roses. Sheena Pike, that's a trademark of hers, is a big rose. And they're beautiful. Got some pink feathers coming this way, feathers going that way. Isn't it gorgeous? It's gorgeous. Okay. All right. I'm going to go back in a little bit. In, not out. And we'll look at these drills. All right. Sure, she said. We'll look at the drills. What colors do you think we're going to have? Well, you already saw it. Pink and brown. That's my guess. Pink and brown. These are all in order. They're beautifully in order. Let's just grab a handful. We'll grab a handful. We'll bring them up here and we'll show you. Look at rosy colors, browns. See, there's the browns. Oh, I have drills going all over the place. Why? What? It's not those. It's a light color. It's a light peach color, like this. There's just okay, they're not going all over the place. There's only like 3 of them. I exaggerated. Okay. There's just more in the bag. Okay, no, I think I see our problem child. Yep. Okay, problem child. All right, here. Stay in there. Yep, that bag is wide open. That is a thing that can happen with these resealable bags. All right, so let's take care of this first. Let's get this guy, see? He's wide open. Wide open, going everywhere. Okay, so let me seal this up first. Get the rest of these out of here. Okay. It's a pretty little color, little peach color. It's a good thing I'm taking them out, huh? Okay, there's some more colors. More pinks down here at the bottom. That's where the pinks are. Okay. All right. Let me show you the pinks while I have them in my hand. Pink, 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 pink. Oh, Lord. No. Okay, that one's not coming out. It was just folded over. I was like freaking out for a minute. Okay, there's one. One of those is coming out. Okay, get in there. You stay in there so we can get all of these like peachy beige out. Okay. All right, some more browns. And here is the AB. It's a pink AB and a pink rhinestone. So those are our special ones. All right. There's the special pretties. The special pretties. Okay. Before we go any further, let's clean up on aisle 4. Clean up on aisle 4. Okay. I'm just going to put all of these in this bag and then put them back in their rightful spot after the video. I just wet my finger and they stick to my finger. Okay, we're in. We're back in the bag. Back in the saddle again. All right. And we'll pour those back into this bag in a hot second. Okay, you sit over there. There. Crisis averted. See, no big deal. All right, did you see the colors well enough? Did you see them? I mean, there's lots of pinks, right? Lots of pinks and lots of browns. There we go. Browns, tans, rose-colored glasses. Is this black? It's probably black. 21. No, it's 3371. Hello, the new black. All right, there's the colors. Pretty, pretty, right? Love this color right here. Whew, that's going to definitely go in these feathers and the rose. Okay, now step aside. And I'm interested to know where they put these rhinestones. It is a sideways or diagonal equals sign. Okay, where's the equal sign? It is here. Yay! It is here. Up through this feather. Any place you see like this kind of lightish pink here, medium pink. We'll call it the medium pink. That is the rhinestone. Just a few here, everywhere, like little lines of it. That's fantastic. And the pink AB is an upside down Y, and that is also right there. So it's like they're together, they're a pair. We get the AB and the rhinestone. So everything else is regular drills, but those two kind of live together and share space. It's gonna be so pretty though, so pretty. I believe Jeremy was working on this for the BCA breast cancer awareness event. I don't know how far he got. I don't know if he finished it or not. I haven't seen a post review or anything, but I'd love to see it, wouldn't you? Anyhow, there she is, Magenta Warrior. I don't know. I'm going to call her a girl just because it's all pink. That's what I'm doing. I'm calling her a girl because she's a warrior, right? And it was a perfect painting to do for that event too. Love it. All right. Go check out Craftably. Check out their sale. They're always linked below. My code is linked below. Like I said, if you find a code that's going to work better for you for the sale, use it. If not, try mine, see if it works. Just go check them out. They're having a fantastic sale. They got some great deals. You don't want to miss out. Okay? All right. That's it. I will talk to everybody soon. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button and subscribe if you are new here. That would be awesome because I totally appreciate all of you. Okay? All right. Gotta go because here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Right? I gotta go. All right. See you soon. Bye, everybody.